Hello guys, we're gonna play Animal Hospital again. Of course. Let's see. Of course, girl. This is friends. Okay. Oh my god. Where are we going? Guess I got to go. So guys, we're gonna play this. Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry it's loud here because it's loud. And guys, it's snow. Yo, I guess can't say my user because maybe possible like that, and
tapos wala, kinakabahan ako baka mamaya.
oh my god, sassy kitty. But guys, this is my friends, sassy pretty. This. Okay. Got yo, oh my god. Oh, okay.
Wala, parang may nakakalimutan na. Anong nakakalimutan?
Hey,
Ano bang ginagawa
there's
mo?
no mom, it's here. So this is him. Check.
Wala nang electric pan yung kapatid mo.
Okay, let's go. Okay, I think my friends are now. Let's go. I'm going. Yeah. Yes, yeah, that's all. Wow! Yeah, nice.
Pagtapos ko siyang sinabihan, isasama ko na lang siya sa laro baka lumalabas pa ako yung galing dragon, mahirap na.
Yo, I'm green. Yo. No. Hey. Okay, but let's go. Bye, y'all.